misbehaving Gizmotron. Oh.
Hi, Mayor Garth. Are you okay?
Duh. Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo. I'm okay, but this Gizmotron isn't.
But the Gizmotron runs everything in Gizmo.
That's right. And when it doesn't run properly, nothing does. See for yourselves.
Oh my, this is not good. Oh, look, Mayor Garth.
Oh.
Even your calendar doesn't know what day it is.
I could scan the Gizmotron, but I'm afraid my database is very limited on how it fully works.
Thank you, Mo. But I already know what the problem is. The system needs a good cleaning.
Ooh, like the family laptop at home.
Mayor Garth, I'm sure a wise Uli like yourself cleans out the Gizmotron on a regular basis.
I'm afraid not. I did when Gizmo first got the Gizmotron, but then I just sort of forgot.
Don't worry, we'll gladly help you, Mayor Garth.
Well, it's a bit of a big job. There's all kinds of computery junk and debris along the elevator system all the way to the Gizmotron core.
The bigger the job, the better.
Indeed.
Well, we'll be needing these for computery junk.
Ooh, Uli frooms. I love hoovering up things with those.
And I did manage to shut down the elevator system for safety, so we'll be needing these as well to get around it.
Ooh, I love jetpack adventures even more.
Holy-rific! But first, let me lock down the Gizmotron. Oh, the key isn't working, like everything else. We'll just have to press on then. To the elevator system! Gizmo's upside down today, and we didn't have to do nothing.
It's like a troll dream come true. Mayor Garth never looked so good.
Say, if everything in Gizmo is glitching, then maybe so is the security to Mayor Garth's office.
Let's go find out.
There sure is a lot of junk floating around.
Oh, I'll never be such an ooly-fooly and let it get this bad again.
Don't be hard on yourself, Mayor Garth. You've learned your lesson, and it feels like we're making progress. Right, Mo?
The system has just gone from 90% clogged to 89% clogged. So, yes. You missed a bit.
Ah, what's going on? Quick, we better get cleaning.
Oh, it's out of control.
Ah!